Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there again with more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone are alright. Manners and respect. Big up, you see? Alright, now, I saw more than one videos on social media that shows a female. Now, in those videos that I saw, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she had been sexually abused by her father at a young age, and that he's a man who preaches the word of God. The female also mentioned the number 6 in at least one of those videos that I saw, viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, I think that the female was brave to post videos on social media saying certain things. See, you have a lot of people worldwide who go through certain things and are afraid to talk about it with anyone, more so to post at least one video on social media to let people worldwide know what they have been through. Yes, what I say? So I think that she's brave to post videos on social media and saying certain things. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to present one of those videos to you that I saw on social media that shows the female. And I would like you to tell me what I think about the things that the female said in this video that I'm about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. See? And I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness to each and everyone worldwide. Alright? Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
If I go talk about sue me for defamation of character, because you want to put fear in me, and that's why I say me calm down and I say no, I just leave it alone, because I know I'm not wrong, but me just can't take a problem. Me can't, but I feel I go over everything and everything. The counseling them every minute. Me I got counseling, I say me I got counseling. Me tired of it.
Yeah.
Me tired that people ask me the same thing over and over. Me have to explain to you. When I go talk about how you hear my father's side and my side, I don't want to hear. No, that is a lie. Because on my side come out, me can't hear the lie that mama tell you no. On my side come out, me can't hear the lie that mama tell you no. Ask Nisha, ask Sean how much time I have panic attack up the arm. I say me traumatized. Traumatized, can't talk. When I go talk about me ashamed, of course I am ashamed. I am ashamed to know that out of all of the people them in Jamaica, all of the people them in the world, and my father that abuse me. It could be a man out the road, you know. It could be a man out the road, and my father. You see, if I did one time, I could have said, boy, he must be junk. Something not right. Or obvious, something not right, or whatever. But summer, Christmas, summer again, Christmas, summer again, Christmas. You don't love your daughter, and you used to come call me skittle. And when mommy said don't call him that, you got to talk, boy, you're a skittle, because you didn't know the plans them what you offer me, and you know how you that treat me. For sure how me did, to show how me feel. You know, like summer come or Christmas or whatever, and you watch one certain little family show. And like, look, raping, we go on like them, rape and put your mother. I said, Jesus Christ, I can't imagine this family that rape me pitney. I want to ball out and say, mommy, I want to ball out. But what? He eyes me with the dirty eye and say, him not say it out of my mouth, you know, but you see the eye when give me like, he say, if you open your mouth, me kill you today.
Yeah, you hear them things there?
That is the look when give me. So let me tell you now, we're going to run up and run, come on my phone. You don't call my phone, you don't text my phone. Me not go block nobody. Me not block you because I want to see my progress and I want to see when I post me happy picture of them and me I go to church and I want to see them. So me not block nobody. But you see if you not come to me with no negativity, you leave me alone. You are wicked. No for you are wicked. And you don't with me, and you act like you don't with me. But you see, until you get abused, me don't want to wish this upon you because at the end of the day, even if I wish upon you, it happen. Only one time. You see for me? A whole heap of time. So a whole heap of hurt, whole heap of trauma, whole heap of something me go through. But instead that man, instead of being a father and being me a 6-year-old, wash me with your pitney here, put on your pitney clothes, carry your pitney go buy ice cream. No. You lay down in a bed with your pitney and you
Please share this video, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, please share this video and help to bring an awareness. You see? I don't really want to say certain things, viewers and subscribers. You see me I said to you? Yeah, because in my point of view, the things that the females said in those videos that I saw on social media, or this video that I posted to you, It's just sad in my point of view. Because adults should be protecting children. See? Adults should be protecting children. In at least one of those videos that I saw on social media, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that the man who she talk about would send her siblings to a certain person's place or to a certain person in order for him to do his wrongs. Then you see me I say, but me don't really want to say certain things, but listen to what me I say. See, in my point of view, the worst crime that anyone can do is hurt a child. Yeah man, the worst crime that anyone can do, in my point of view, is hurt a child. So me I say, I know that some people might disagree with some of the things that I'm about to say, viewers and subscribers, but me like to hear where the man have to say. Yeah man, the man who she talk about in those videos that I saw on social media, me like to hear what him have to say. Because this female post videos on social media saying these things, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going by the things that she said, you understand? I'm going by the things that she said. See? But to know that this female post videos on social media saying these things, viewers and subscribers, what do you think? What do you think? The first time I saw one of those videos on social media that shows the female, I asked myself, why would a female post a video on social media saying these things, viewers and subscribers? See? And you see, whenever you see someone try to express themselves when they go through certain type of situations, it's good to listen and give them a positive vibes. Try to give them some encouragement in a positive way. So I say, because you may never know, my people. You may never know, when you see a person attack certain things, they might go through certain things in their mind, might even not think suicide, See? And then someone might say something negative that might trigger that suicide thought or thoughts. You see me I say, my people, so it's good to give a good word of positive vibes and encouragement. You see me I say, I tell my people, I don't know. I think she's brave for really and truly post videos on social media and saying certain things. You understand? See? So, my people, I like to know what to think about the things that the female said in the video. You can't tell me what to think about the whole situation. See? Anyways. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that will be recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded. This video shows a hole in the ground somewhere within the country of Jamaica, and there was water in the hole. Now, in my point of view, it seems as if persons who was at that location swim in the water that's in that hole. My people, I think it would be best for you to take a look at the video for yourself and tell me what you think. Yeah, when I like you, look and listen to this video and tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe.
On the main road, a swimming pool, brother. So we're up. So all who want me time. You see it there? The main road, you just divert. Time at up. You see it? Where they all look for the main road. We are St. Thomas Bossy. We have all pole on it.
Yeah, the person at the background of the video says St. Thomas. You see the water look bluish or so. You see me I say, no, on a real, we have to really and truly think some of the times. You see me I say, Jamaica is really and truly a beautiful country, See, I mean, a simple hole in the ground like that, water somehow full up in the hole, and the water look bluish, as if it take the color of the sky. Just look at it. It look pretty. You see me I say to people, yeah, for it look pretty, it look pretty. Just look at it. See? Anyways, me not get no information as to what caused the hole in the ground and what caused the water to fill that hole, viewers, subscribers. But on a real, it look pretty. Me not telling you, it look pretty. Jano, goes for show you, Jamaica is a beautiful country. A simple hole in the ground. And look how the water look. I tell you. Yeah, me also see another video that shows certain things when it comes down to that hole in the ground with water. Something I got call it. You see me I say, my people, let me know what you think about these videos that I presented to you in this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.